Good morning, everybody. Okay, in today class, in previous class we have explained about the how do you multiply the big numbers. All of you put on the video. All of you put on the video. If you don't put on the video, I am not interested to teach you. I will remove you from the class. Put on the video compulsory. Sharanya, Ajmeri, put on the video. Okay, yesterday I have explained you how to multiply the big number. So how do you learn the two-digit number tables? Suppose one example again I am explaining you. Suppose 72 8s are if you want to multiply. What will you do? We will split this number like this, 70 and 2. Then you will multiply with 8. So you will multiply like this. 8 7s are, you know 8 table very easily. 8 7s are 56 and side 0. 8 2s are 16. Now 560 and 10. 570 and 6. 576. So this is the way of splitting the numbers and multiply them. Means from here by using this method you will be able to say up to 99 tables. Up to 99 tables. Any table you can answer. Suppose 85 3s are 85 into 3. This is what is this 85 table. 85 3s are means 85 table. 85 table also you know now. How do you say? 85 3s are means 80 and 5. So you multiply with 3. 3 80s are 3 8s are 24 side 0 240. 3 5s are 15. 240 250 and 5 255. Like that you will be able to say 85 table also. Means from this you can understand, you can by using this method you will be able to say up to 99 tables. Means you can multiply all the two-digit numbers very easily. This is the process already explained yesterday and I gave to you. Write any one table also I said yesterday. Any 75 table, 75 1s are 75 2s are like that. 83 table, 83 1s are 83 2s are like that. Okay, now we are going to learn how do you multiply with tens. How do you multiply with 20? How do you multiply with 30? How do you multiply with 40? How do you multiply with 50? How do you multiply with 60? How do you multiply with 70? How do you multiply with 80? About this, like these multiplications we are going to learn today. My voice is not clear. I think it is the problem of network, your network. No problem, what I said to you. Try to. So here it is okay, why here it is good, my network is good. Maybe your network is problem. You do one thing, what I am saying to you, every day I am saying, if you miss the class now, if any interconnection problem is there now, no problem. Because I am recording this video. I am recording this video. Now I am teaching now here. I am recording this. I will send this video to you. am teaching here and I am sending video also because network problems will be there. So to avoid the network problems, I am sending video. Watch the video compulsory. Okay, today we are going to learn how do you multiply with 10, how do you multiply with 20, how do you multiply with 30, how do you multiply with 40, like that. With numbers, how do you multiply, I am going to teach. So listen carefully. Once open the page number 53. Open the page number 53. In page number 53, you see here, a packet contains 10 pencils. A packet contains 10 pencils. How many pencils do 2 packets have? In one packet, there are 10 pencils. In 2 packets, how many pencils are there? How many? 20. In 3 packets, how many pencils are there? In 4 pencils, how many packets are? In 4 packets, how many pencils are there? In 5 packets, how many pencils are there? So means what are you doing? You are multiplying. 5 tens are you are multiplying. In 6 packets, how many pencils are there? 6 packets. In 6 packets, how many pencils are there? In 6 packets, how many pencils are there? 60. How do you say that? 6 into 10. 6 tens are 60, like that. In 7 packets, how many pencils are there? 70. How can you say that? 7 into 10. 7 tens are 70. So we are going to multiply with 10 here because in every packet there are 10 pencils. In 57 packets, how many pencils are there? Means what should we do? We should multiply with 10. How do you multiply with 10? Very easy. Simply, we will write this number once and we will keep the 0 side. 57 tens are means you will write 57 and you will keep side 0. In 74 packets, how many pencils are there? Means what will you do? 74 into 10. This is a multiplication is very easy. What should we do? We should write 74 and side 0. So when you are multiplying with 10, what you will write? You will write the number and side you will write 0. And you see here in the textbook. Can you answer these questions in the page number 53? How many pencils are there in 8 packets? How many pencils do 10 packets have? How many pencils do 14 packets have? How many pencils do 26 packets have? How many pencils with do 57 packets have? So you can write these all answers. Just tick there. You need to complete that work. Tick that. What is the work we need to do? Page number 53. Packets and boxes of pencils. Packets and boxes of pencils. Okay, now we open the page number 54. Take the page number 54. Now, if a box contains 10 such packets, you know small packets, I said below, in every packet there are 10 pencils are there. Like that boxes are there in one big box. Like that boxes are there in one big box. You know how many boxes are like that? 10 small boxes are becoming one big box. 10 small boxes are becoming one big box. In one big box, how many pencils are there? So now I said to you know, small boxes. In every small box, there are 10. In small box, there are 10 pencils are there. Like these small boxes, one big box means in one big box, 10 small boxes are there. In one big box, 10 small boxes are there. Now, in one big box, how many pencils are there? Very good, 100. Because in the 10 of them, no? 100. Like this, in 7 big boxes, how many pencils are there? Very good, 700 pencils. In 9 big boxes, how many pencils are there? Very good, 900 pencils. In 24 big boxes, how many pencils are there? 240. 240. Very good, 2400. 2400. Simple it is, multiplication. 24 boxes row. In one box, 100 are there. In 24 boxes means 24 into 100. 24 into 100 means how to do? Simple. What you do? 2400 means 24 into 100 means 24. And just side you will write 2 zeros. These 2 zeros you will keep side. 24 and 2 zeros you will keep side. Means what will you get here? 2400. Okay, can you answer these questions in the page number 54? In page number 54. Page number 54 about the pencils. Pencils, that all you have to write there. Simple questions are there here. How many pencils do 6 such boxes have? How many pencils do 8 such boxes have? How many pencils do 10 such boxes have, like that? So easily you can answer it. Okay, now one more. Next, just down you see that. Observe the following pattern and try to answer them. Now one line I am going to talk for you. Another line we will discuss afterwards. I am writing for you 2 into 40, last line. 2 into 40. 2 into 40. How do you multiply this? It is very easy multiplication. You once watch it, I will explain you. 2 into 40 means, first you multiply only 2 and 4. 2 4s are 8. Keep 1 0 side, enough. 2 into 40 means 2 4s are 8, side 0, 80. So 3 40s are 3 4s are 12, side 0. Like that. 4 40s are 4 4s are 16, side 0. 5 40s are 5 4s are 20, side 0. 6 40s are 6 4s are 24, side 0. 7 40s are 7 4s are 28, side 0. 8 40s are 8 fours are 32, side 0. Next, 9 40s are 9 fours are 36, side 0. 10 40s are 10 fours are 40, side 0. 11 40s are 11 fours are 44, side 0. 12 40s are 12 fours are 48, side 0. Like that. So do you understand how to do this? So can you fill this into 20, 20, 20 into 30? Three lines are there. First line is about into 20. Second line is about into 30. Third line is about into 40. Can you fill this? Can you fill this or not? Yes, you can do this. So I am giving to you, this is a homework for you. Page number 54. What is the homework? Into 20, into 30, into 40. These three lines you need to complete. And in textbook, sorry, this is in textbook. This one you will do in textbook. In notebook, same lines you need to write, but here not into 20, 30, 40. You need to write into 50, into 60, into 70. Same 2 into 50, 3 into 50, 4 into 50, 5 into 50, 6 into 50, 7 into 50, 8 into 50, 9 into 50, 10 into 50, up to 12 into 50. In notebook, you need to write this in notebook up to 12 into 50. And one more line, 2 into 60, 3 into 60, 4 into 60, like that one more line. Say one more line, 2 into 70, 3 into 70, 4 into 70, like that one more line. These three lines you need to write in notebook. In textbook already into 20, into 30, into 40 you will complete. Afterwards what should we do? In notebook you need to write into 50, into 60, into 70. In video you can watch this homework afterwards. In video you can watch this homework and open the video, watch it again, and where the homeworks are there, point down and write it. All of you listen here. While you are doing the homework, don't watch the video completely. Start the video. First one topic you listen. Stop the video. That work you complete in the textbook. Then you watch some other bit. Then that bit you complete. Then start the video. You watch for another bit. Stop the video and you continue the other bit. Like that, you completely don't watch the video. Bitwise. First bit listen and complete in the textbook. Second bit listen and complete in the textbook. Third bit listen and complete in the textbook. Like that, stepwise you go. Then without any confuse, without any mistake, you can do that. So okay, now here what you have learned today? Page number 53. This is about the 10 pencils, fill in the blanks you need to do. And in the page number 54, about the big box, big pencil box, about that you can fill. Next in the page number 54 only, 3 lines are there, multiplications. Some are into 20, into 30 and into 40. These all you can fill. After that, in notebook, you will write the same lines. That is into 50, into 60, into 70. One example I will show to you. One example. You can watch this in complete video. 5 into 50, 6 into 50, 7 into 50, 8 into 50, 9 into 50, 10 into 50, 11 into 50, 12 into 50. Same one more line. 2 into 60, 3 into 60, 4 into 60, 5 into 60 like that. One more line. 2 into 70, 3 into 70, 4 into 70, 5 into 70, 6 into 70 like that. 3 lines. You should write 3 lines in notebook. In textbook it is into 20, into 30, into 40. No. This is 3 enough. 50, 60 and 8, 70. 50, 60, 70 enough. Okay. After that, open the page number 55. Okay, here some questions are there. Can you answer this? Are they equal? 2 into 8. What is 2 into 8? 2 8s are. What is 2 into 8? Yes, 2 8s are 16. Then what about 8 into 2? 8 2s are. 8 2s are also 16. Okay, and one more. 6 7s are. 42. Then what about 7 6 are? 42. Okay, now 10 5s are 50. 5 10s are 50. Means next 13 5s are. Table don't know, but I said idea know to you. What is idea I have given to you? 13 5s are means what you do? 10 to 3. Multiply with 5. 10 5s are 15. 5 3s are 15. 50 and 15 hours 65. 5 into 13. 5 10s are 50. 5 11s are 55. 5 12s are 60. 5 13s are 65. 5 10s are 50. 5 11s are 55. 5 12s are 60. 5 13s are 65. So, okay, you have done it. Observe one thing here. I multiplied 2 and 8 like this. And afterwards, I exchanged the places like this. First I multiplied 2 and 8. Then I exchanged the places like this. 8 and 2. First 2 and 8. Next I exchanged 8 and 2. In both times I got same answer. Second, 6 and 7 I multiplied like this. After that I exchanged the places. 7 and 6 I multiplied. Then also I got both times same answer. Like this multiplication or like this multiplication. I got same answer. Then I came for this. 10 and 5. Like this I exchanged. 5 and 10. 10 and 5. 5 and 10. Anyhow you multiply, I got the same answer. 13 and 5 are 5 and 13. 13 and 5, 5 and 13. Any time in multiplication I got answer 65. So means what did you understand here? Anyhow you multiply in this way or in this way, you will get the same answer. So what can I say here? 8 into 2 is equal to 2 into 8. Both answers are same. 6 into 7 is equal to 7 into 6. Next, 10 into 5 is equal to 5 into 10. 13 into 5 is equal to 5 into 13. 6 into 10 is equal to answer to it. In this way you say 6 into 10 is equal to, very good, 10 into 6. 6 into 10 is equal to 10 into 6. Okay, now you do one thing. Do you have pencil with you? Do you have pencil with you? If the pencil is there, page number 55, first bit. Now I have written out 2 into 8 are 6. That one you complete now. Write it now. 2 8 are 6. 8 2s are 6. 6 7s are 42. 7 6 are 42. Write it now. Complete that. 2 8s are 8 2s are 6 7s are. Yes, complete it now. Yes, now. So can you feel like this? There are 8 maths are there in the textbook. Already I have explained 3. Remaining 5 you can explain. This math, in this math only yesterday, just before you have learned. Okay, now second bit. I am explaining second bit. See the second bit it is, how can you write 32 as different multiplications? How can you write 32 as different multiplications? 32, how can you write in different multiplications? You can write 32 as 4 8s are. 4 8s are you can write. 4 8s are, you can write 4 8s are 32. And you know 32 1s are also 32. 32 1s are also 32. In 2 table also it will come. 2 table means maybe you think 2 10s are 20 only, no sir. No, 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. 2 13s are 26. 2 14s are 28. 2 15s are 30. 2 16s are 32. Like that 2 table will continue forever. Not, it will not stop up to 10. 2 11s are, 2 12s are, 2 13s are, you can say. Like that 16, 2 16s are will become 32. Okay, you see now I am giving here 30. How do you say 30? Very good. 1 30s are 30.
6 5s are 30.
Very good. 6 5s are 30. Again. That okay. 5 6 to 6 5 same no. That's why don't write again. 6 5 5 6 are same. One is there. One more is there. Very good. 3 10s are 30. 3 10s are 30. And you know one more is there. 2 15s are also 30. 2 15s are also 30. Like that, can you write these numbers here? 27, 16, 15. In case you see book one is there. 16. Can you write 16 like that? 16 is there, you see in textbook, page number 55. Like that you write it over. 16 you can write like that. 27 you can write like that. 55. Okay, I am saying homework. You do that as homework. For 27, for 15, and just go back here in the page number 56. Page number 56. 36, 40, 45, 64. These all you need to write as homework. Okay, can you complete?
No.
Okay, do one thing. This bit you leave. Tomorrow we will do. This bit you leave.
Okay, sir.
Only up to do this only you complete. Up to do this only you complete. Tomorrow once again I will explain this method. Okay? Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Watch the video compulsory. Watch the video compulsory and complete the work. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.